guys, I hope you're really well. I just want to share this short video with you about how you can make your own veggie capsules using essential oils. So there are reasons why we want to internalize essential oils. There are many benefits from it, and sometimes it's pertinent to use your essential oil in your water, always just remembering to use a glass bottle or stainless steel and not plastic. And I love to use a citrus oil like lemon or lime or wild orange or anything like that. I just take one drop in about a litre of water, and every time I want to refill my water bottle I just add another drop. So I probably drink around 3 to 4 drops of a citrus oil a day. And then I also internalize essential oils in cooking and chocolate and things like that. And then in capsules that doTERRA already make. So Lifelong Vitality, for example, which is something that I take daily, that contains essential oils in it. But there are times when I might want to make my own essential oil capsules. And this may be more for something that I'm looking for more of a medicinal remedy for. So for example, it can be something like when we're maybe feeling a little under the weather and we want to boost our immune system. Then for example, we might want to internalize On Guard. Now, On Guard is a fantastic blend, but because of the clove, it has a little bit of a spiciness to it. It's not one that I really enjoy drinking in water. So the citrus oils I obviously love the taste of and I enjoy drinking that in water. On Guard, on the other hand, isn't so much one which I'm going to really, take pleasure in enjoying the taste of. And if I wanted to take, perhaps I've come down with a cold and a cough and I don't want it to become something more than that. So maybe I want to take On Guard 2 days and maybe I'm taking 3 capsules a day. So I don't necessarily want to be drinking that On Guard. For me, it would just be easier to make a capsule. So doTERRA sell these empty veggie capsules. They're very inexpensive. There's 160 capsules in here and I think it's £5.50. So they're just empty capsules and they look like this. So they've got a long and a shorter end to them. So what I like to do is put my essential oils, so say it was because I wanted to boost my immune system. So I take On Guard and I would recommend 2 to 4 drops. So I'm going to put 2 drops of On Guard. And then I'd recommend adding, again, about 2 drops of either olive oil or fractionated coconut oil. And unfortunately, I don't have my pump on this coconut oil, which makes it easier, but I'll just put 2 drops. Like I said, either something like olive oil or your fractionated coconut oil. And then you pop the shorter end and you just squeeze it down. Now this is something that you'd need to take, pretty quickly after you made it. If you wanted to make capsules ahead of time, what I would recommend using is normal coconut oil, not fractionated coconut oil, and then melting the solid coconut oil, then adding your 2 drops of the melted coconut oil and then putting them in the fridge or freezer because the coconut oil is obviously going to harden up when it gets cold. So that way you can make capsules ahead of time and either keep them in the fridge or the freezer. But generally I just make my capsules as and when I need to take them. You can see it doesn't take very long to do it, and then swallow it down straight away. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. You can see it's a very simple process, and if you've got any questions, as always, let me know, and have a wonderful rest of your day.